Hey guys, I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 versus a Samsung Galaxy C8. And C8 comes with a MediaTek Helio P22 processor with a 3GB RAM, while the Y7 Prime 2019 comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor with a 3GB RAM. And show you what is the difference between a C8 versus a Y7 Prime 2019. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time and let's see who is faster when it comes of booting up. And this video is also sponsored by Apple Mobile Shop. They have this message: this shop will be very good to buy new and used phones as well. And the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 is faster there, and Samsung Galaxy C8 is also right behind, so about 2 or 4 second difference there. And everything goes up in the background and no Wi-Fi on both phones. And first application is the basic application that is called as the phone dialer, and that is faster on the Y7 Prime 2019 with a fast animation compared to the C8. Launching these settings, and this time the again Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 is faster there. And let's launching some more application like the calculator, and again faster on the Y7 Prime 2019. So let's launching some games application, and first is the Temple Run 2. And the Samsung Galaxy C8 is faster, and you guys are the judge of the speed test. And you can see C8 is just a tiny bit faster there, about 1 second difference compared to the Y7 Prime 2019. Launching the Candy Crush, and faster on the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019. And C8 is also done, so about 4 second difference there. Huge difference in this game loading speed. So next up is the Subway Surfer on both phones, the last game application. And Samsung Galaxy C8 is looking faster there. Yes, it is faster than the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019, and about 2 or 3 second difference there. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera, the basic application, and that is exactly faster on the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019. So let's launching the internet browser on both phones, Samsung internet versus Google Chrome, and show you guys what is the speed in internet browser. And I have launched the internet browser on both phones and save Wi-Fi network on both phones. And first website is the facebook.com, and that is faster on this Huawei Y7 Prime 2019. And C8 is still taking some time, and now it is also done. So let's launching the wikipedia.org, the second website, and again just a tiny bit faster on the Y7 Prime 2019. Looks very smooth on both phones. Same thing with zooming in and out. So let's see the important part of this video, the RAM measurement. 4GB RAM versus the 3GB RAM. And RAM measurement is looking incredible on both phones. Not a single refresh on both phones. Candy Crush, Subway Surfer is not refresh on both phones. And last is the internet browser. Overall, I have to say that the app's opening speed it is just a tiny bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy C8 with a powerful processor, and it is right behind to the C8, just a 1 or 2 second difference in a second game that is called as the Candy Crush. And RAM management is absolutely incredible on both phones. So thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Samsung Galaxy C8 versus a Huawei Y7 Prime 2019. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Well, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.